channel. My name is Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video, I'll be assembling a table and chair for little Ayden. A Spider-Man table and chair. Ayden, you want to say hi to the subscribers? Ayden, come. Come, Ayden. Come. Ayden, come. 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 I guess you don't want to come, guys. Hey guys, this is little Ayden here. Ayden. E-E-O-E. Alright, if you don't want to stay, alright. Oh gosh, Ayden is very heavy to be lifted up. Anyway guys, so I'll be assembling a table and chair for him. So I'll be showing you guys the process. The table and chair came in a box in pieces and I decided to video and show you guys. Unfortunately, you guys won't be seeing like the middle part of the video because I didn't realize that my phone battery had died, but you guys will see the beginning of me trying to fix it up and the end result. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Alright guys? And I also wanna come say hi. And I also want to thank all of my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate everyone who's been subscribing to my channel, watching my videos and watching my ads. Alright? And I want you guys to know for the next week, I'll be uploading a video every day for you guys for the next week. Alright? So keep your notification on so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Which for this week, I'll be uploading a video every day. Alright guys? So hope you guys enjoy watching me building, assembling, whatever you want to call it, this table and chair for Ayden. Alright, so enjoy guys. Alright guys, so the table and chair is in this box here. So I'm going to attempt to put it apart. So I'm going to how it's looking inside. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out. So I'm going to take them out of the box now. Oh, I hope I can do this. I'll fast forward while I take it out of the box. So this is the end results for Ayden table and chair that I fit up. So let me show you guys the end results here. Ayden is already at his table. We're outside on the veranda. Ayden already pulled off that thing with the numbers. He already destroyed it. So I hope you guys enjoy watching me fixing up the table a little bit. Although I didn't get to show you guys me fully doing it because the phone battery had died and I didn't realize that. Alright guys, so if you reach the end of the video, thank you guys so much for watching and please subscribe. Ayden, 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 Ayden. So I like to ignore you. Ayden, 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 say hi. Guys, Ayden just want to ignore you guys. Alright, so take care and see you guys in the next video. Ayden, say bye. Bye, Ayden. Say bye. Bye, guys.